Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video. Guys, please hit that red subscribe button for me. Hit that like button and hit that notification bell so you never miss a VeChain or Cardano video. I got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started, guys. So today we're looking at VeChain, looking at the price here real quick, guys. Not really too much to talk about. Over the past 30 days, we've just been kind of moving sideways after hitting a bottom. I want to say a couple days ago, about a week ago, we hit a bottom, and now it looks like we're slowly recovering, slowly but surely. When in doubt, zoom out, guys. Again, I got a video here with some OGs. They're gonna talk a little bit about price and why price doesn't matter, especially when you're buying good companies, guys. So, I'm just gonna hodl, continue to stack VeChain and chill, and that's pretty much it. It ain't nothing special. So moving on to the first VeChain news. We've got Eisenreich here. Thank you, Eisenreich. Please consider donating. His VeChain address is in the description below. Real Items and ALLURAS Foundation. So it looks like Real Items is working with another company to create an NFT. ALLURAS Marketplace works with artists to create green NFTs that are 99% carbon neutral. Again, guys, we're moving towards a world where sustainability is at the forefront. Climate change has been ravaging the world as we know it. And depending on whether you believe that or not, that's neither here nor there. What is here nor there is that VeChain and its ecosystem partners are really focusing on sustainability and really focusing on green, carbon neutral products. So Earth Day is a digital NFT minted on VeChain. Thank you again to Eisenreich for breaking this. And let's take a look at it real quick, guys. So I'm not going to play it because it might have music in it, and YouTube's just been really bad with copyright striking me, and I really want to put these videos out for you guys, but it is what it is. Saving our oceans one reef at a time, conserving coral reefs through restoration research, ecotourism, and education. And so this is the Alliance Rescue, oceanrescuealliance.org. Wow. And ALLURAS Art. Go ahead and follow them on Twitter. Our first digital NFT drop via Real Items consists of our VR world along with a complementing physical sculpture created by Hansel Griffiths. The music was composed by ALLURAS. 30% donation of the final sale will go to Ocean Rescue Alliance. This is pretty awesome, guys. I really do want to play it, but it has music and all that. So this is the NFT here. It looks pretty cool. Earth Day by Hansel Griffiths. Let's take a look at their art marketplace after we finish showing this. Shout out to Real Items for continuing to work, continuing to put out good stuff. Follow them on Twitter as well. So let's take a look at this real quick, guys. Excuse me. So this is the ALLURAS Foundation marketplace here. Digital NFT Earth Day by Hansel Griffiths. It's $10,000. So you can pay in full or 4 interest-free installments for orders between $50 and $1,000. If you got a couple extra ETH burning in your pocket, you can purchase this NFT and then go ahead and 30% of this buy will be going to the Ocean Alliance. So you'll be doing your part as well. So if you guys are interested in that, that's that. Thank you to Real Items. Definitely interesting. I can't afford that NFT, but I know some of you rich whales in my comment section can. You better be donating to my Patreon too, Mr. I have 2 million VeChain in the comment section. I see you. I read all the comments. All right, guys. So we got Warren Buffett again. I know. He's an OG and he doesn't like crypto. I don't care about none of that. But Sometimes, guys, when things are moving sideways, sometimes when you don't really understand what's going on, it's good to turn to the OGs for guidance because they've been there, they've listened, they've done everything that you're trying to do. It's just a different time period. They had different technology. Investing is no different 60 years ago than it is now, guys. I don't think. You buy undervalued companies, you buy companies that are actually creating value, and you just hold. That's it. It's not hard. It's not flashy. I don't have, technical analysis charts here telling you when to long and when to short. I'm not showing a buy bit link or anything like that, guys. It's very, very simple and very, very time tested and true. So let's take a look at what the OG Warren Buffett has to say and something interesting I want to talk about. And then we're not going to watch the whole video. We're only going to watch about 2 minutes of it. So hopefully I don't get copyright striked. If this video is silent or gone from the video, it's because YouTube being a hoe. That's all. And I had to trim the video. It's okay. We'll move on. But I thought this was interesting.
Our special guest this morning is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett. And Warren, we've talked about a lot of things this morning. We got briefly your thoughts on the markets, but there's been a lot that's happened in the markets since the last time we sat down with you. Volatility is back in a big way.
Note that word. Volatility is back in a big way.
And that has the average retail investor kind of questioning what to do at this point.
And that has the average retail investor questioning what to do at this point. When has the average retail investor not questioned what to do? When has the average retail investor not been scared unless things are going up 100x? When things are going up 100x, guys, people are so happy. They're so excited to get in. But when things are going down, they head for the hills. They turn tail. They sell at a loss. When it should be the opposite. Okay, so we don't do what retail investors do. Keep a note of that.
It's scared a lot of people. What do you think's happening right now, just in terms of the return of volatility? Is it something to be worried about? What's causing it?
Well, if you own stocks like you'd own a farm or apartment house, you don't get a quote on those every day or every week. And I think you look at the business, and the value of American business depends on how much it delivers in cash to its owners over between now and Judgment Day. And I don't think it changes in 10% in a 2-month period if you're looking at it as a business. Now you've got anything can happen in markets. I mean, anything can happen in markets, and that's why I say don't ever borrow money against securities. That markets don't have to open tomorrow. I mean, you can have extraordinary events. So I think to some extent you can get some of the instruments that people don't understand very well that have a lot of firepower in them,
like
and
the volatility index and things that are tied to that.
The idea of people taking a position, and they're gambling. They're not investing. Nobody's investing when they buy, some supercharged index on how the VIX does or something like that. They don't need it in their life. It's an unnecessary instrument. Now, they will create instruments that the public will buy, and you can just count on that. Wall Street's been doing that since they met under the Buttonwood tree in 1792 or whatever it was on the exchange. So, but if you're investing, if I'm going to buy a half interest in a McDonald's stand and you're going to run it, or McDonald's franchise, and you're going to run it, I look to the business to determine whether I've made a good investment. And I'm concerned about, whether we have new competition, how we do over the years. But it's the business I look at. When you're just looking at the price of something, you're not investing. I mean, if you buy something, Bitcoin, for example, or some cryptocurrency, you're not looking to the asset itself to produce anything. If you buy
Well, that's where he's wrong. But anyway, minus that part, everything that he said before that part is 100% true, guys. We look to the business. We look to what VeChain, Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum is doing. How are they gaining adoption each and every day? Okay, guys, this is a whole new asset class, and the thing is that the investment principles have not changed. You want to believe me? If you would have bought back here, guys, and you just held, you did not listen to any FUD or anything like that, you would be up almost 6,000%. Like, it's crazy how it works. When you see companies adding value to the world, there's no way they can't be more valuable. And going back to what she said, this lady here, let me get a picture up here. What she said back here.
It's scared a lot of people. What do you think's happening right now,
Scaring a
just
lot
in
of
terms in a big
people.
way? And that has the average retail investor kind of questioning what to do at this point.
It's scaring a lot of people. Look at the date on this, guys. February 26, 2018. Okay, this is not new. Retail investors are always scared. Retail investors are always emotional. Retail investors are gambling, guys. We're not gambling here. We are investing. That's why I don't have these freaking charts and all that garbage, because at the end of the day, what is the crypto doing? Okay? How are they creating value to the world? And the only way that they will get to where they need to go is to create value. Okay? Thank you to Eisenreich here, guys. Appreciate him again. VeChain Norwegian Energy Environment Consortium. VeChain could be a part of this. The NEEC is addressing some of China's greatest challenges in the energy environment sector, such as water treatment and clean energy. So again, the theme of clean energy, sustainability, is actually quite surprising how many companies are for sustainability, especially in China. According to United States propaganda, I don't know. I don't live in China, so I can't really say. China is like one of the biggest pollutants of the earth when it comes to CO2. And it's good to see them moving away from that. So electric vehicle business opportunities in Norway. Webinar, don't forget, VeChain is working with BYD, a Chinese electric vehicle company, for carbon credit solutions and other blockchain tracking data. So they're going to talk about the 14th five-year plan, which VeChain is a part of, under carbon neutrality. So it's all about carbon and reducing carbon emissions and reducing greenhouse emissions. Now, we don't know if VeChain is going to be directly a part of this, but DMV is in there. Carbon capture software is a part of VeChain, and this is definitely something that we're interested in, guys. And finally, guys, we have the token of the month, VeChain, by ZWIGBURG. I know I'm not even saying that right. But they have declared VeChain as the token of the week. They are crypto marketing specialists. This is pretty awesome. VeChain has cemented its role as the enterprise blockchain with clients such as Walmart China and DNVGL, bringing two of the main contributors of transactions. The great fundamentals of VeChainThor should triumph in the long run, and I would agree, guys. Again, we're just hodling with our feet up. Ain't really nothing changed. Ain't nothing changed since last year. Ain't nothing changed since 2 years ago. I know it's boring. I know it's not flashy. But again, guys, what do people who are very successful do? They do the boring things. You know? They invest in pretty boring companies. They buy real estate. That's pretty boring. I mean, once you buy the house, you rent it out, you do nothing. You just sit there. It's not flashy. You know, you invest for 50 years straight, and one day you're a multi-millionaire. It's not flashy. Okay? We have 1,065 days to the next Bitcoin block halving, and the markets, I don't really know how the markets are doing right now. They're kind of moving sideways. We need to get Bitcoin up, but that Bitcoin dominance keeps dropping. I've never seen Bitcoin dominance so low. I don't know what that means for Bitcoin. The only thing I do know is that Ethereum is gaining on Bitcoin in market cap. The flippening could occur, but again, the flippening has been predicted so many times in the past that, you know, I'm not even going to set foot there because I don't want to declare Bitcoin dead or whatever and write another obituary for it. But, you know, hey guys, you know, if Ethereum has a big run up, $4,000 or $5,000, and Bitcoin just kind of stays stagnant, the flippening could occur, and then I don't know really what would happen to crypto if that were to be the case. I guess Ethereum would be the new market leader for now. Cardano's doing well. XRP is doing well again. Taking a look, waves, nothing pumping too hard. Yesterday was a bit of a down day for the market, but it looks like it's recovering. So yeah, guys, I mean, we're just going to keep it 100% here, guys. We're just hodling and with our feet up. That's it. Ain't nothing changed but the date. Alrighty, thank you to my wonderful Patreon subscribers: AJ, Brick House, Mac Harris, Sergio, Les Nielsen, The Fernline, Jeffrey, Ethan, AmericanHomeRemedies.com, Maryland 4 Crypto, Boost Wayne, Fruz Den, Brady M's, Joel Minnis, Kyle Botcher, CryptoSVT.si, Eric Parr, I did the voice for the people, HBDSouthBay.com, Ryan Ingram, Daniel A, Crypto Chemtrails, Climax CH, Angela Schroyer, Craig Wadding, Steve Vale, Maker Dow Crumbs, Bearder, Leon Jackson, Jacob Connor, and Yaya. Really appreciate you guys. Don't let your memes be dreams. Enjoy this beautiful weather out here. And I will talk to you soon with the Cardano updates. You don't want to miss that video. Have a great day, guys.